Hey guys, it's Miree. Welcome back to my channel. And today, as you can tell by the title of the video, we are going to be doing how to refresh, or specifically how I refresh my natural hair when it's like day 4, day 5, and I don't like how frizzy it is. Before we get started with this video, subscribe down below because we're on the road to 10,000 subscribers and we are getting there so freaking quickly. Cut on that bell notification because I try to post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4:45 Central Standard Time. Check out my social media, especially my Spam account, because that's where you will catch me the most active. And without further ado, let's get started with the video.
Oh, my hair looking dry. The first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and shake it, just like so I can separate a little bit. And I know it's very tangled, as you can see, and it's very stiff, and I want to get rid of that. So the first thing I'm gonna do is separate my hair into sections and put them up in these little scrunchies. Well, not scrunchies, little hair ties, but the ones without the metal. The ones without the metal work better than the ones with the metal because the ones with the metal can rip your hair out. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair up into sections. First section up, and then get the second section out the way, and then deal with the third section. So the next thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and put oil in my scalp because my scalp is very itchy and I haven't oiled it in like 3-4 days. I need to oil my scalp, otherwise it'll start feeling irritated. This is the Defil castor oil. This oil does work, but it's very thin, so it will drip everywhere if you do too much. And in this case, I did do a lot, so you will see oil dripping down on my neck and on my face because I put too much. But I massage the oil into my scalp, and I massage the oil into my hairline, my nape, and on my edges because my edges are very important, as well as the nape. People always neglect the nape. Take care of your nape, please. Now it's time to start the retwisting process. This is pretty simple. So basically, I obviously go in and retwist my hair, but I'm going to start in the very back of my hair because, as you can see, sis, that is the most frizziest part of my hair. The definition is gone, and that's what I stretch the most. That's why it's the frizziest. So the first thing I'm going to go in and do is wet that little section of hair. Then once it's wet, well, I don't want it too wet, but I don't want it too dry either. I want it to be able to dry tomorrow morning and be dry the next morning so I can take it down and it show definition. Wet it, obviously, as you can see, I'm combing it out and brushing it out with my dimming brush just so it could be smooth before I actually twist it up. Now, once it's smoothed out with the dimming brush, I go ahead and go in with my shea butter. I use a little bit of this, not too much. Go ahead, rub it between my hands, put it through the section. Then after that, I'm going to go in with my Wetline Extreme Gel, not too much gel. Rub it, put it through the section, try and redefine the section and detangle the section one more time before twisting it up completely. And then I go ahead and twirl my ends, and then I move to the next one. I repeat this process in the very back, in the front of my head, as well as in the middle of my head.
All my life, all I've ever really wanted was a bad chick. Like Janae Aiko, Instagram model bad. Curly hair bad. All my beats would probably sound like this.
I'm gonna blow dry my hair just for a little bit, just because I have a feeling that my hair won't be dry enough in the morning, even though I did put a little bit of product. I'm gonna blow dry it just for like a few minutes, just to stretch the twist a little bit, and this will help elongate them and help it dry faster. And not only that, I'm gonna go in and do the banding method. If you want a video on how I do the banding method and how I stretch my hair and get rid of shrinkage, this is one way, and I'll have a link for that video up in the iCard. You can just click the iCard and go watch that video after this video. But yeah, this is how I stretch my hair in order to elongate it and get that length that I want instead of it being shrunken. Okay, now it's time for me to take my hair down and to like refresh it, kind of sort of just shake it out. So I will say this, when I was taking my hair down, I was kind of rushing because I really wasn't pressed for time. I just unraveled the twist like a regular normal twist, like, you know, like if you watch my videos, you know how I do my hair. I unravel the twist and I separate the twist as I go, and then once I'm done with that, I go ahead and fluff and stretch my hair out and separate my hair so it won't look smushed, and then I pick it out. I went throughout my day, but it was very humid and very hot, and I was very sweaty, so my hair isn't as defined as it was earlier, but it is kind of bigger and I like the volume. Sometimes I really don't mind frizz because it adds more volume to my hair, and I really like more volume compared to definition. That is basically the end of this video. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, cut on that bell notification, share this video, check out my other natural hair videos. There will be a link up in the iCard and a link at the end of this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.